Hi folks, I hope you're well. So, this video is about burnt bridges, and there's another burnt bridge today. The person who bought my car. He acted as if he was a lovely man. He can be trusted, and as soon as he had a chance to prove, he was a nasty con artist that was, a liar. And then, when you try to ask him to do what he agreed to do, which he did, he gets nasty, starts being, When he was trying to get the battery to work, because the battery was dead all the while. And the battery was in the car, when he first came to look, even before he first came to the battery was in the car, then was dead. I replaced that with another battery that was just as bloody useless. Again, that's from Colin, so that wasn't very good. And he thinks that, even though that battery was complete crap, that he was right taking £15 off me for that piece of rubbish. Yeah. Again, it's another person who's coming very, very close to burning the bridge. Yeah. But yes, so Billie was the person who bought the car. I don't need to go into more detail on that. Sufficient to say, the bridge that was built initially by him pretending to be a nice person, completely destroyed, and it will not be rebuilt. In the end, him not paying what was agreed, him basically, when he came to look at the car again, he had already, the understanding was as this. He had offered that he would pay £100 for the car if he can't get it started, and £200 if he can. That was his offer, not me saying anything, because I would have said no. I said no. I said £100 no. I've been offered 157 for the car just to take it in the condition it's in where it won't start. He said, all right, I'll give you 160 to take it away then. Now, as he actually said, £100 if you can't take it away, £100 more if you can start, then obviously getting it to start would mean it'd be £100 more than the 160 he agreed to. So £100 is what he offered, but when negotiation happened, it went to 160. Cool, because that's important. So that car had been given to me by God, and I gave it back to God. So when he stole from God, not me. So, okay, there are quite likely going to be, consequences to that, pretty heavy ones. Had the bridge not been completely destroyed by him, he could have got my help to deal with that, but no, he won't. Same as Paul, who does the soul food. Again, Paul is someone who I've known for a long time. Well, I'm saying 4 years. I wouldn't necessarily count him as a friend, not necessarily, but there was a bridge there that he's completely burnt down. And so again, Paul's going to realise that what he did, he's condemned himself to eternity in hell. And when he realises that, he won't have me to go to, because that bridge is burnt down. Anyone who has a relationship in any way, shape or form with me, if you decide to be a complete and utter arsehole, and continue to be a complete and utter arsehole, even when you've been told and told and told where this is leading, and you still want to go down that path, then you have burnt the bridge and it will never be put back up again. Never. You can try and do it, but the thing about a bridge is, a bridge has to connect from one side to the other. Both sides have to agree to that bridge being there. You can try building a bridge to me, but if I say no, that bridge will never connect to me. And with anyone who does that, there will never be a bridge between them and me in the future. Ever. They prove that I can't trust them. As soon as you prove that I can't trust you, that you are an untrustworthy person, that you are whatever. If you are a dishonourable person, or you are someone who, whatever, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. That's it. cut off. Yeah. Yeah, if you are happy to destroy the bridge, then I'm happy to say there will never be a bridge again. And there won't be. I don't need anyone like that in my life. Not in any way, shape or form. I don't need anyone like I do not need to even acknowledge people like that. At all. Because I don't want to waste any of my time with people like that. Because they've already proven that any time I gave them was completely wasted. As soon as you prove that, you won't get any more time. That's the reality. You won't get any more time. Now, if you want to be a complete arse, then do that before the bridge is built. Get it over with before the bridge is built. Don't destroy it. And then wonder why on earth that bridge is now, it can't be built again. Be the arse that you are beforehand. And then, once you're not like that, build a bridge. That's fine. That bridge may hold. But once you've destroyed it, don't expect me to allow another bridge to be built, because it won't. Everyone has to do this for their own mental health. Cut off people and cut them off permanently if they proved that they're more of a pain in the arse than they are of benefit. It gets to the point where you say enough is enough. And that there will be no more. And then mean it. Make it so that there is no more. And stick to it. Because in the end, you've got to take care of you as well as other people. And if you're going to help people who really want to be helped. Help people who haven't shown you that they're not worth your time. And that they're just going to take the mickey. They're just going to be abusive, and don't bother with that at all. In the past few years, there's been about 4 or 5 people now that have burned the bridges, and there you go. There will never be bridges again between me and those people. They are gone. And they will not be coming back. So, as I say, look, understand, if God wants you to help people, God's going to lead you to people that are worthy of your time. Of course, you'll have people like this to learn from, but learn from them. Very important, learn from them. Be wise in your dealings with people, because otherwise your mental health will suffer. Boy, it will, yes. Because people like that, they don't care about your health. They don't care about what you're getting from this. They care about what they are. And so therefore, yeah, lead them to it. Lead them to the path that they've chosen. If God wants to help them, he'll use someone else. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.